Today, today, topic will be to work on routing on Angular, navigation I'm talking about. Okay. So I request to one of you to please share your screen. Everybody, Shashi, Deepak, anybody, could you please help me share your screen, please?
Hello, your voice is not clear, sir.
What are you saying, Shashi?
Your voice is not clear, sir.
Is my voice clear now?
Yes, sir.
Shashi, can you please share your screen?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so open the notepad, please, Shashi. Okay, so Shashi, please take a note. I need total number of 5 components to be get created called login.
Total
Login.
number 5 components.
Yeah, login. First component name is login. Registration. User details. Portfolio. Last which is called landing page.
Landing.
Landing page. One single name, landing page. Okay. And remember one thing, these all 5 components will be independent. Nobody will be the child of anyone.
Okay.
And I want landing page to be the first component to be loaded in your browser when your application starts.
Okay.
You got it what I said?
Yes, sir.
I said once again. Yeah, what I said once again.
Hello.
Yeah, Shashi, what I said once again.
What, sir? Your voice is not sometimes not coming, sir.
No, can you please repeat what I said once again?
Sir, we have to create 5 components, and all the 5 components must be independent, and the landing page will be the first page. Component will be the.
Yeah, should be loaded. I hope you understood now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, Rajan, are you clear now? Rajan, are you clear? Deepak, Kathir, Dudi, everybody, are you all clear? Deepak? Okay, so what you can do, Shashi, you can copy and paste this 5 components in a chat and start creating it after stopping the screen and let me know once you're ready.
Okay. Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, we have to create new project or previous one we can add
Same
component.
project, same project.
Okay.
We do not need to create a new project. In the same project, we want all those.
Okay.
Shashi, if you're all done, you can please share your screen, Shashi. You see the outcome in your browser. So Shashi, what you can do is first of all you go back to your VS Code editor, and now where's the landing page? HTML. HTML. Here you remove this line number one and create a UL tag. Remove the line number one and add a UL tag. UL. UL. LI. Yeah. Now in LI you type ahref. Ahref. This one, the first option, ahref. Yeah. Select. No, fourth one from the top. Yeah. Equal to, here you give the name for login. Login. Type login. Yeah. Close the anchor tag. After that, opening and closing anchor tag. Close the anchor tag. No, not here, outside. Yeah. And within this anchor tag, type login. Login. Yeah. Remove the li tag from the end. Yeah. Copy this line number 2 and paste it below with some different names like registration, user details, portfolio. Registration, user details, portfolio. Make it. Let's see your browser. Check your browser. Okay, links are coming up. But these links will be activated when you try to click on this. So go back to your code. And yeah, so after this, yeah, in line number 7, you say router hyphen outlet. Router, enter. Yes. So this is the location where your page will get loaded. Okay. So don't type anything in between. That is what you keep it. So save it. Save it. Save this file. See, please save this file. Shashi, can you hear me, Shashi? Just save this file. Hello, Shashi, is my voice audible to you? Yeah, Shashi. Hello, Shashi, can you hear me now? Can you please save this file? Okay, after saving this file, is my voice audible to you properly? Yes, Shashi, is my voice audible to you properly? Hello? Okay, so now do one thing, just go back to this after this landing page is done. Now do one thing, create a new file under the shared folder and give the name called app.routing.ts. App.routing.ts.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and now in app.routing.ts, what you can do, you just create a new, say, export const, type export const, my routing equal to router outlet, sorry, equal to router module, yeah, enter dot for root, yeah, second object. Start a round brackets and start the square bracket and hit enter. Enter. No, without single quotes. Single quotes you remove it, no? That single
Okay,
quote.
sir.
And now enter and start the curly braces now and say path colon path colon. Here in single quotes give the component name. Single quotes, type login. After that, come out from the single quotes. Okay, space, say component. Yeah, component. No,
Comma is there, sir? Comma.
component. You remove the colon login. Start the curly braces. Component colon component colon. And here in curly braces give the name called login. Remove the curly braces. Remove the curly braces and type login. Enter.
Login component, no?
Yeah, login component. Yeah, just a component. Close the curly braces and put the comma after this login. After path login within this curly braces. Yeah, put comma here. Yeah. Login component hasn't been imported properly. Yes. Put comma at the end. Start another curly braces after this line and say path colon user details. You got it what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Do it. Yes, press enter. You haven't imported properly user details component. Just check the user details component where it is. Hmm. And put control space at the end. Yeah. Continue with others also.
Yes, sir. Next.
So this is done. So now do one thing, go back to your app module, and here in import section, after line number 66, sorry, after line number, yeah, 66, press enter and say my routing. Enter. Yeah, save it, and now see your browser after relaunch it again. And now you see your browser. Are you clear now?
Yes.
But your messages are not coming. Registration, user details, nothing is coming. Portfolio, nothing is coming. Just show some messages there.
Message is there, sir.
Then why it is not printing? Just check. You have to restart the server and check.
Portfolio, user details and portfolio are not
Yeah, that
matched.
means the names are not matching. When you
Okay.
click on the links, just check the names of Ahref and the app routings are same or not. Just go to the landing page. Go to the landing page. Yeah, landing page of component.html. Get these names. See, this portfolio spelling is incorrect.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Save it and check. Got it?
Yes. Sir.
Cool. So just wait till the people finish it. Guys, please make sure that your links are working and type done in a chat window. Guys, please update if the code is working fine. I'm waiting for all of you. Only one person has updated so far. Please show app.routing.ts because I think Rajan is asking for it. No, he's saying like app.routing.ts, which is there under the shared folder. Guys, let me know once the code started working. So, okay, Kahir has responded. Rajan, any update from you? Is it working fine? Lodi, any update from you? Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, so what you can do now is, but do you think one problem here, Shashi, like every link which you were clicking it is getting, uh, you know, refreshing this page. Do you think so?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what you can do, just go back to your landing page, .html, okay, and just remove this href from the first line number 2. Okay, no, just href only, not equal to, just href, and put router link,
Hyphen, sir.
router link, L capital, yeah, router link, and now you save and see the browser whether this. See, login is not refreshing the browser anymore, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you apply this router link everywhere.
Yes, sir.
Everybody, please confirm if you're able to see the same and let me know, please. If you're able to get this. I hope you're clear now, Shashi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Shashi, once the router link is clear, so you understood like how the navigations are taking place. Now
Yes, sir.
we're going ahead and attaching some more references to our links here. So what you can do now, continuation to the same,
Okay.
you do one thing, create one more file name called child.routing.ts. Child.routing.ts under the shared folder only. Child.routing.ts.
Same, sir.
Yeah, and copy and paste the code of app routing inside the child routing. No, complete Control A, Control C. Yeah, and here we will keep only registration and portfolio. Login and user details, you remove it. Remove it from the import section also. Okay, and now change the name from my routing to the child routing. Okay, and remove the for root to for child. For child. Yeah, and save this file and go back to the app routing. And there you remove these two links, registration and portfolio. And remove them from the import section also.
What's that?
Remove from the line number 3 and 4 also. So now we have distributed our,
Yes.
okay, now put this child routing also inside your import section of your app module. And check after saving all the files whether the code is working fine or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so guys, please confirm if the code is working fine. Just check whether the links are working fine still. See, the links are working fine properly. You save this file. I think one file is unsaved. Go to the file menu and say save all.
You are asking about me, sir?
Yeah, approuting.ts, you did not save the file, app.routing.ts. Save and now see your browser whether the links are working properly or not. Yeah, they're working fine. But we have distributed our routing. Are you clear?
So, but how Angular knows the relationship between child and parent?
Because there will be only one root and rest of all will be the child.
Okay.
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 So Kathir, please make sure it is working fine. Rajan, please make sure that your code is working fine. And everybody, please make sure it is working fine. Please confirm everybody if it is working fine. So now we'll be passing the parameters in my URLs. What I said, I'll be doing what? Come on, what I said, what I'll be passing it now?
Passing
Parameters.
parameter.
Okay, so how will be passing the parameter? So in user details, sorry, go to the landing page now. Yeah, here in user details, line number 3, you put this router link in and around square bracket. Put this router link into square bracket. Yeah, yeah, put it. And user details, no, in user details you go after double quotes, put it in square bracket. Yeah, close this with a square bracket. Type, just put this user details in a single quote. Single quote. Yeah, close this with single quote and put comma and give some value 101. 101. So this is the value which we have given. Save this file and go back to your child routing where the user details are defined. Here, no, not here, in app routing. Here, in user details, yeah, put forward slash colon ID, colon ID. Yeah, save. See the browser. Take your cursor in user details. Can you see this 101 is coming up below? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Cool. So guys, please make it and let me know if you're also able to see the same. So that's how you can pass the parameters for the routing. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how can we pass dynamic parameters to
Well,
the?
that we will be telling you in our upcoming days how to pass it because right now we're just simulating it that the values is there already.
Okay, sir. Okay.
But in our upcoming days, I will also show you like how to pass the dynamic values because in real time you'll be having dynamic values only, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Let's try to catch up the value in
Okay.
our main page because the values are shown in a browser, but I'm not able to capture it. Let's capture it. So open the user details.component.ts. Here you define one variable called ID. That's it. And go back to your constructor parameter and say here, no, in a parameter, say private AC colon
AC.
AC
Okay.
colon activated route. Activated route. Yeah, enter. Activated route A is capital. And say control space to import from.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is imported. So this activated route will help you to understand whichever link you're clicking it. If that is activated, what you will be doing it now. So under ng on it, after line number 14, press enter.
What's that?
After line number 14, press enter. After line number 14, yeah. And say this dot id equal to this dot id. id equal to this dot ac dot snapshot dot params. Enter. Put a square bracket. Put a square bracket after params and in single quotes. Just go to the app.routing.ts. Yeah, what is the name at the end? ID.
Yes, sir.
Okay, use the same name ID there.
Chup.
ID. Just type ID here. Okay, cool. And now whatever value is coming into the ID, you're storing into this variable ID in line number 11. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now go back to this HTML file. And here you say double curly braces ID. Yeah, save it and check. Check both, save both the files. I think one file is again unsaved. Yeah. Now you check your browser and confirm. Can you see this 101 is printing below?
Yes, sir.
Now change the value 101 to 103 in your browser. No, here only.
Yes.
101 to 103. You got it?
Yes, sir.
I hope you're clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Others, please confirm if you're also able to see the same and type done in a chat window, please. Because this is how you retrieve the value.
Papa, why don't
करो नहीं चलो जाओ दे रहा हूँ रुको फोन आया था एक मिनट
पापा भूख लगा है
मम्मी आ रही है क्या खाएगा चूरा खाएगा
नहीं
तो क्या खाएगा
वाटरमेलन
तो मम्मी आएगी तब काटेगी
Okay. So can I give you one task here to you, all of you? Rajan, Shashi, can I give you one task here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The task is like, Kathir, for you it is working fine. So the task is like, I'm expecting that you to pass one more parameter, okay, from the landing page .component.html, other than ID, pass second parameter also, and that value I also want to print in my user details.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So Rajan, are you clear? Pass second parameter from the landing page and print this value over your user details. Okay. So you
Okay.
can stop the screen and start implementing and let me know. So Ludi, Kathir, I'm sure like you got the idea. Rajan, hope you are clear. So please make sure that your code is implemented properly and let me know once you are done. Okay. Remember, timing is limited for this task and let me know once you're done. Yeah, for home if it is working fine. For Rajan has updated me. Shashi, what about you? Any update from your end? Yeah, Shashi, the code is working fine for you also. Okay, Rajan, meanwhile, can you please share your screen? Okay, so you're able to see the details in your browser. Yeah, but I can't see your screen. I think it is only visible. But anyways, I'm sure like it is working fine for you. So let's go ahead and talk about one more feature here about this routing. That is called router guard. You can stop the screen now, Rajan. Yeah. So Shashi, are you there? Okay, I think he's not there. So meanwhile, Rajan, you can share your screen. Rajan, so we'll be talking about a term name called guards. That is called router guards. So those guards are helping you to protect your URLs from any unauthorized access. What I'm saying, it protect your URL from any unauthorized access. So what you can do, you just close all the files first. Close all the files first. Right click and say close all. Save this file and say close all. Yeah, say save. Okay. Now do one thing under the shared folder, create another file here called guard.routing. Sorry, router guard.service.ts. No. Router guard.service.ts. Now here, what you do, just create a new class, export class, router guard, implements, can activate, can activate. Yeah, enter. Now start a curly braces and override one function name called activate. Can activate. Open one provide property called can activate. Can activate. Can activate. Enter. Remove these parameters. Remove this everything whichever is there. Yeah. And inside just say return. Just say return false. See, remove the colon at the end after this round bracket. Yeah. Okay. And after line number 5, press enter before the return false. No. After, yeah, here you say alert in round brackets in single quotes say unauthorized access. unauthorized access. Okay. Now save this file and put on the top of this @injectable. Okay. Now save this file and go to your, save this file and save this file first and go to the app module and declare it under your service provider section. Providers. Okay. And after declaring that, you just go back to your router guards. No, not here, not here. Under the provider section, after the user service, after line number 40, here you define. Give the name. What's the file name you've given? Yeah. Okay. Now go back to your which route you would like to protect it. Suppose I want to protect uh, port for you. So what will be doing it? Go back to your app routing. App routing. No, not this one. App routing.ts. App.routing.ts. Yeah. So suppose if I want to protect uh, user details component, so what you will be doing in line number 7 before the curly braces put comma and say can activate. Yeah, enter colon square bracket. No, square bracket, put square bracket and give the name of the file, router card. Enter, save and see. Save all the files first. Both the files you saved, go to the file menu, say save all. Now you see your browser and check. But you need to share your complete screen. I think you've only shared your VS Code editor. Share your full screen and tell me. Just check whether you're clicking on this user details, whether you're getting some alert messages or not. Now click on this user details. I hope you're clear now. Okay. So guys, please make sure that your code is working fine, just like it for him, and let me know by typing done in the chat window if the code is working. Let me know guys if the code is working fine for all. So, Shashi, I'm sure like for you also it is working fine. So Rajan, are you clear about this concept? Okay, so Rajan, I want to give you one quick task now. Okay. I also want in my login page to have two different type of text boxes, username and what the password. I want to create two different text boxes, username and password, and one submit button. So what the submit button will do? Submit button will take the username and password, whatever entry you are giving it under the login page. Are we clear? And turn this false value to true. What is it once again, Rajan? Are you able to hear me, Rajan? It will take your username and password from this login page, clear? And on the press submit button, the value which is right now false in your routergod.service.ts, it turns back to true. Are you clear, Rajan, with the requirement? Okay, so please go ahead, make it happen and let me know. Rudy, I'm sure that you're also clear. Shashi, you also. So you can stop the screen, Rajan, and please implement it and let me know once you're done.
Sir, in routing dot route guard dot service dot ts, what we have to set true false, sir?
See, you already have a login page with you which you recently created.
Yes, sir.
Create two text boxes, username and password, and one submit button. The
Okay.
moment you press submit button, it'll pick up the username and password from the client and enable the false value in your router guard.service.ts to true.
Okay.
You
This
got it?
return value, sir.
Yes, absolutely. So that this alert message will disappear.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Please go ahead make it happen and let me know. You can stop the screen now.
Now
Yes, anybody is done? Do let me know, please. Okay, everybody, I would expect this. You can make it over, Rajan, on offline, and let me know by tomorrow in case if it get overs. Is it okay, Rajan? Hope Shashi it is okay with you. Okay, Ludi, so please make sure that you spend this time and make sure tomorrow when you come, this task must have been get over by that time. Okay, so everybody, then that's it. We are keeping it for today. So we'll be seeing you back again on tomorrow to take this ahead. Okay, thank you and have a great evening to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.